I remember it wrong, and I'm gonna remember this.
I wanna be your alien queen. We can ride to the moon in your space machine. You get me in the mood.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Just what my body needs. You should know that I don't mind if you wanna love me all night.
Meanwhile, don't be afraid as we become a part of the resistance.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
This is personal.
I wanna be your alien queen. We can ride to the moon in your space machine. You get me in the mood. It feels good, just what my body needs. You should know that I don't mind if you wanna love me all night. You should know that I don't mind if you.
Here we go.
All personnel to their stations.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short of
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance. Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the ramp. There, see? I told you it would have been.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.